Welcome to Tools Gallery. Today we're showcasing 17 must-have woodworking tools for pros and dyers. From auxiliary rip fences and cordless drills to precise clamping systems, mini circular saws, pocket hole jigs, and heavy-duty sawhorses, these tools help achieve clean cuts, accurate joints, and safer workflows. Designed for precision, durability, and efficiency, each tool, from thin rip jigs to corner clamps and dovetail clamps, makes woodworking easier and more professional. Whether building cabinets, furniture, or home projects, these essential tools improve speed, control, and results. Upgrade your workshop with these reliable and versatile woodworking solutions today. Meet the Woodpecker's Auxiliary Rip Fence, a smart upgrade designed to deliver safer and more accurate cuts on your table saw. By providing a straighter, longer, and taller reference surface, it improves control and stability during cutting operations. This enhanced support helps guide materials smoothly, reducing the chance of wandering cuts and increasing precision. The fence easily clamps onto most standard table saw rip fences using track clamps, allowing quick setup and secure attachment. Ideal for woodworking professionals and serious dyers, it expands the capability of your table saw for cleaner, more reliable results. Durable, practical, and designed for accuracy, the auxiliary rip fence is a valuable addition to any well-equipped woodworking shop. Meet the Woodpecker's Auto-Line Drill Guide, a precision tool designed to deliver perfectly straight and accurate holes every time. While a few experts can drill perfectly by hand, this guide ensures that anyone can achieve professional results. It keeps your drill bit perfectly perpendicular to the workpiece, preventing angled or misaligned holes. The smart design goes beyond basic drill guides by featuring a versatile base and fence system that helps position holes exactly where you need them. This makes layout work faster and far more accurate. Ideal for woodworking, cabinetry, and precision projects, the Auto-Line Drill Guide improves control, accuracy, and consistency, turning any handheld drill into a reliable drilling solution for professionals and dyers alike. Meet the Woodpecker's Folding Saddle Squares, a smart layout tool designed for fast, accurate marking on woodworking projects. Unlike traditional squares, the saddle design wraps around the workpiece, allowing you to mark perfectly aligned lines on multiple faces at once. This ensures consistent and precise layout when working with boards, posts, and stock. The folding feature makes the tool compact and easy to store or carry in your toolbox, while still providing the rigidity and accuracy professionals expect. Built with Woodpecker's renowned precision engineering, it delivers reliable performance for joinery, layout work, and detailed woodworking tasks. Whether in the workshop or on the job site, folding saddle squares help woodworkers achieve cleaner, more accurate results every time. Meet the Lyons Miter Saw Protractor, a versatile all-in-one measuring tool designed for precision and convenience. This multifunction device works as a miter saw protractor, spirit level, angle finder, ruler, and even a drawing press, making it a valuable addition to any toolbox. Its laser-engraved scales allow you to directly transfer angles to your miter saw, helping you achieve accurate miter and single cuts with less effort. Built from durable, high-quality plastic, it offers excellent resistance to wear and corrosion while remaining lightweight and easy to carry. Ideal for woodworking, crown molding, plumbing, and DIY projects, the Lyons Protractor saves time and improves accuracy. It's a practical tool for professionals, hobbyists, anyone who values precision. Meet the Inventor Mini Circular Saw, a compact yet powerful cutting tool designed for precision and versatility. Powered by a 705-watt, 5.8-amp motor, delivering up to 3,500 RPM, it effortlessly cuts through wood, soft metals, tiles, plastic, and drywall. The adjustable cutting angle from 0 to 45 degrees allows flexible cutting with a maximum depth of 1 to 11/16 inches at 90 degrees and 1 to 1/8 inches at 45 degrees. An integrated laser guide helps ensure straight, accurate cuts, while the parallel guide attachment improves stability and precision. The saw also features a dust collection port compatible with shop vacuums to keep your workspace clean. With ergonomic grip and dual safety switches, it offers comfort, control, and reliable safety for dyers and professionals alike. Meet the Pony 8510 BP Cabinet Claw, a clever installation tool designed to simplify face frame cabinet assembly. This unique clamp combines several installation steps into one efficient process, allowing you to tighten, align, pre-drill, and fasten cabinet styles without moving the clamp. It works on styles from 1.5 to 2 inches wide and offers a maximum opening capacity of 4 to 7/16 inches, providing strong and reliable clamping during installation. Protective pads help prevent damage or marks on cabinet surfaces while ensuring a secure hold. Built for durability and ease of use, the Cabinet Claw helps professionals and DIY installers achieve precise alignment and clean results. With this tool, cabinet installation becomes faster, easier, and far more efficient. Meet the Lethally Cordless Drill Driver, a powerful and versatile tool designed for everyday drilling and fastening tasks. Featuring 21+1 clutch settings and a maximum torque of 443 inch-pounds, it helps prevent over-tightening while delivering precise drilling through wood, metal, and other materials. The drill offers 2 variable speed ranges, 0 to 410 RPM for controlled driving and 0 to 750 RPM for fast drilling, making it perfect for a wide range of DIY and home improvement projects. Its 1/2-inch keyless chuck allows quick and easy bit changes, while the lightweight 3.1-pound design, anti-slip grip, and built-in LED light ensure comfortable operation even in tight or dim spaces. Note that this tool is sold without battery or charger. Meet the 4.88 Mini Circular Saw, a compact yet powerful cutting tool designed for precision and efficiency. Equipped with a 580-watt motor that reaches up to 4,000 RPM, this corded saw delivers smooth and efficient cutting for wood, soft metal, plastic, and other materials. The adjustable cutting angle allows up to 1 to 11/16 inches depth at 90 degrees and 1 to 1/8 inches at 45 degrees for bevel cuts. A built-in laser guide and parallel ruler help you achieve straight, accurate cuts with ease. Weighing only 4.7 pounds, the lightweight design allows comfortable one-handed operation. The kit includes 3 specialized blades, HSS, TCT, and Diamond, giving you the flexibility to tackle a variety of DIY, woodworking, and home renovation projects. Meet the Microjig MatchFit Dovetail Clamp Pro Bundle, an innovative clamping system designed to bring versatility and precision to your woodworking projects. This all-in-one package includes powerful dovetail clamps and a 1/4 inch straight relief router bit, allowing you to easily create custom dovetail grooves directly in your work surface or jig. The clamps glide smoothly through these grooves below the material's surface, delivering strong and adjustable clamping wherever you need it. With this system, you can quickly build adjustable fences, stops, sleds, and custom jigs tailored to your workflow. The included router bit is perfect for clean grooving and edge treatments, making setup simple and efficient. It's a smart solution for woodworkers who want flexible, shop-made clamping setups. Meet the 90-degree aluminum alloy corner clamp set, a reliable tool designed to ensure perfect right-angle alignment in woodworking projects. Each 5.5-inch square is precision machined from durable aluminum alloy with a corrosion-resistant anodized finish, delivering strength and long-lasting performance. The laser-engraved measurement scales feature both metric and imperial units, making it easy to read and measure accurately while working. These clamping squares help position boards at a perfect 90-degree angle during gluing, assembling drawers, building cabinets, or making picture frames. When used with standard clamps, they hold your workpieces securely in place for precise joints. Ideal for woodworking, welding, and DIY projects, this 4-pack provides dependable support for cleaner, more accurate corner assemblies. Meet the Galax Pro Cordless Reciprocating Saw, a versatile and powerful tool for cutting wood, pipe, and soft metals. Powered by a 20-volt 2.0 Ah battery, it delivers a no-load speed of 0 to 3,000 SPM and a 7/8-inch stroke length, ensuring quick and controlled cuts. The variable speed trigger and lock-off button provide precision and safety, while the tool-less blade change lets you swap blades effortlessly. With a maximum cutting depth of 5 to 7/8 inches, this saw handles thin wooden boards and soft metal with ease. The package includes 3 wood blades, 2 metal blades, 1 battery, a fast charger, a user manual, and a warranty card. Take breaks during extended use to protect the machine and battery, ensuring long-lasting performance. Meet the Rutool 6-inch Japanese handsaw, a must-have for woodworkers, carpenters, and craft enthusiasts. Designed with a flexible SK5 high-carbon steel blade, this saw delivers precision and durability for flush and finish cuts. The double-edged Ryoba design features 17 TPI teeth for hardwood and 14 TPI teeth for softwood, allowing both rip and cross cuts with ease. Hardened three-sided teeth ensure faster chip removal, smoother cuts, and longer-lasting sharpness. The ergonomic beach handle offers comfort and control during extended use. Ideal as a gift or for personal projects, this Japanese pull saw combines efficiency, precision, and craftsmanship. Responsive after-sales support ensures satisfaction and peace of mind with every purchase. Meet the high-quality pocket screw jig, crafted from durable aluminum alloy to resist rust and cracking. Its sharp, burr-free cutter head ensures smooth, precise drilling for flawless results every time. Designed with a 15-degree dual-pocket drill angle, this jig allows two-way hole drilling for hidden screw connections, making it perfect for building train tables, workbenches, bookcases, dressers, and more. Easily drill inclined holes to hide screws and achieve professional-looking finishes. With 3 interchangeable drill drive adapters, 6mm, 8mm, 10mm, it adapts to any wood type, angle, or position. Compact and easy to handle, it's an ideal assistant for DIY woodworking projects. Backed by a 100% satisfaction guarantee for worry-free use. The Galax Pro 11 amp power circular saw, a versatile corded saw designed for precision and efficiency. Equipped with a 7¼ inch 24-tooth TCT blade, it easily cuts wood, plastic, tile, and soft metals. The powerful 11A 1400-watt copper motor delivers a 6,000 RPM no-load speed, ensuring fast and effortless cutting. Adjustable cutting depth ranges from 2½ inch at 90 degrees to 1 to 7/8 inch at 45 degrees, while the bevel angle adjusts from 0 degrees to 45 degrees for angled cuts. A scale ruler guides accurate straight cuts, and dual safety switches, plus a protective board enhance user safety. The package includes the saw, blade, rip guide, Allen wrench, and user manual, making it a complete solution for DIY and professional projects. Meet the Going Make Thin Rip Jig, a must-have table saw accessory for precise and repeatable narrow strip cuts. Simply slide the guide into a T-track miter slot, compatible with 3/8 inch by 3/4 inch U-shape or 1/4 inch by 3/8 inch slots, and lock it in front of the blade. Its one-way roller bearing ensures safe, kickback-free feeding, while the zero-clearance, laser-engraved scale allows repeatable cuts with consistent thickness down to 30 inches. Extending up to 8 inches from the miter slot, it works with table saws, band saws, and router tables. Crafted from durable metal, the Going Make Thin Rip Jig combines safety, precision, and efficiency, making repetitive thin ripping faster and easier for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals alike. Meet the Wiedel's Corner Clamp, the perfect woodworking accessory for precision 90-degree joints. This set of 4 adjustable, spring-loaded clamps quickly holds boards or frames at right angles, fitting thicknesses from 3/16 inches to 3/4 inch. Crafted from durable polyamide, these clamps provide long-lasting reliability, while the strong spring tension keeps boards firmly in place during screwing or gluing. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, they allow convenient single-handed operation, making alignment, nailing, welding, or picture framing easier than ever. Packaged in a gift-ready box, the Wiedel's Corner Clamp makes an ideal present for dads, husbands, grandpas, and DIY enthusiasts. Perfect for cabinet making, box assembly, woodworking projects, and precise home improvements. Meet the Bora Workhorse Sawhorses 2-pack, delivering unmatched strength and versatility for contractors, dyers, and home projects. With a total weight capacity of 2,400 pounds, these heavy-duty sawhorses support large materials and tough tasks with ease. The pre-drilled tops allow attachment of a sacrificial 2x4, creating a stable, portable workbench or workstation for cutting, sanding, painting, and construction. Compact, foldable steel legs with secure latches make setup and teardown quick, while ensuring easy transport and storage. Designed for maximum durability and adaptability, the Bora Workhorse Sawhorses provide a reliable, professional-grade solution for any project, improving efficiency and productivity wherever you need a strong, dependable workstation. Dependable work.